In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up the YouTube automation editing process in n8n. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and make your video production more efficient, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, we start by opening n8n, your go-to tool for workflow automation. Once you're in, go ahead and click on New Workflow to get started with a fresh setup. This is where your YouTube automation pipeline will begin to take shape. Give your workflow a name that reflects its purpose, like YouTube Automation Pipeline. This helps you keep track of it among other possible workflows you might have. Now that we have our workspace ready, we'll use triggers to automatically detect new videos. You have a few options here. You can set it up with a Google Drive trigger, Dropbox trigger, webhook, or even a schedule trigger, depending on where your videos are stored or how you want to time their release. The beauty of these triggers is that they kick off the workflow as soon as a new video is uploaded, saving you the hassle of manual monitoring. Next, we'll focus on organizing project files, automatically creating folders for raw footage, audio, B-roll, music, thumbnails, final export, and captions will keep your projects neat and manageable. This step eliminates the chaos of manual file management, ensuring you always know where everything is when you need it. The subsequent step involves generating a transcript. Connect a speech-to-text service that suits your needs. This transcript won't just serve as a script, it can now be used to automatically generate captions, chapters, video summaries, blog posts, social media content, and even email newsletters. It's a small step with huge productivity gains. After that, add an AI agent by connecting to an AI agent node. This powerful tool can craft SEO-friendly titles, write descriptions, suggest tags, and even generate community posts or newsletter drafts. It takes away the heavy lifting and lets you focus on more strategic parts of your content creation. For thumbnails, instead of spending hours on design, let AI step in. It will create thumbnail text, image prompts, color suggestions, visual layouts, and hook ideas, which can then be sent to an image generation service, ensuring consistency with your brand aesthetic. Before editing begins, prepare your editing assets. The workflow can automatically split long transcripts into scenes, suggest B-roll footage, highlight important quotes, identify key timestamps, and create valuable editing notes. This gives editors a structured guide, like a navigation map, before diving into the actual editing. Finally, once everything is ready, it's time to notify your editor. Whether your team uses Slack, Gmail, Discord, or Microsoft Teams, sending a notification ensures that everyone is on the same page and ready to bring your video project to life. And there you have it. By implementing this automated workflow in n8n, you're setting up for faster, streamlined, and more efficient YouTube content creation. Happy automating!